Hi, my name is Hafsa, and in this PowerPoint slide, I will cover my Teach 1 assignment, which is Mini Competitive Effectiveness Study. In our assignment for this week, we're going to complete a Mini Competitive Effectiveness Study. We will identify which two patients in the following table could serve as matched controls for the cases. We're going to select the possible controls randomly using the lowest random number. And we're also going to show a Kaplan-Meier survival plot. Two patients will be identified and they will be matched controls for the highlighted cases, which is patient 1 and patient 3. For this assignment, matching will be based on the age of the patients. The controls will be chosen based on the lowest random number. Here is the data sample that we are given. There are 2 cases where the patients received intervention and 7 cases where they did not. And you can know by just looking at the 2 highlighted ones, which is patient 1 and patient 3. The first thing that we need to do is to calculate standard deviation. And to do that, we need to enter this data in Excel sheet. Once you do that, I want you to look at the third column, which is age. You have the ages from 65 all the way to 70. Type the equal sign, then you will see a lot of options. I want you to select STDEV.S. That stands for standard deviation. Then select all the ages from 65 to 70 and then hit enter. That's how you calculate the standard deviation for age. The result is 8.89. Now that we have the standard deviation, we need to figure out the lowest random number for the given cases. As you can tell, I gave purple for case 1. Case 1 is 2, 8, and 9, and case 2 is the blue ones, which is 4, 5, 6, and 7. For case 1, patient IDs 2, 8, and 9 fall within the standard deviation. As you can see, the first one is 65. You can add or subtract 8.89, which is the standard deviation, and that gives you the range of 56 to 73 years. For case 2, patient IDs 4, 5, 6, and 7 fall within the standard deviation, 84. You can add, subtract 8.89, and that gives you the range 75 to 92 years. Then we're gonna take a look at the random number column. Just look at it. With the 2 lowest random number were selected for each case. Patient IDs 8 and 9. If you look at 8, we have 0.16, and 9 we have 0.17, and those are the lowest random number for case number 1. Case number 2, we have 4 to 7, but if you take a look at 4, we have 0.7, and then 6, we have 0.72. And those are the lowest random number for case number 2. Now we're gonna work on the Kaplan-Meier plot for the cases. As you can see, I chose blue for all the cases and yellow for all the controls. In the Kaplan-Meier plot above, the number of the patients at risk of falling and the number of patients that don't fall is calculated. The number of patients at risk is 2 because there are only 2 cases, patient 1 and patient 3. Now we're going to see Kaplan-Meier plot for the control. Out of 7 control cases, only 4 cases have data that was collected in the 4-month period of the study. This could be due to a lot of things, like patients moving or maybe dying. Therefore, our number of patients at risk is only 4 cases. Based on the calculation that we have done on Excel sheet, we can now calculate Kaplan-Meier plot. This Kaplan-Meier plot represents the cases and controls over a period of 4 months. Now, for you to do this assignment, you definitely have to use Excel sheet. If you have any questions or you feel like you need help, please feel free to email me. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for listening.